Hello guys, welcome to another video of the Bitcoin Leverage Telegram channel. My name is Eden and today I will do a very short update on Bitcoin, trying to keep this video under 5 minutes. Here we go. We can look at multiple indicators today. Let's look at the Bollinger Bands, an indicator that is showing that Bitcoin is bottoming. As you can see here in the past, you can see that in the bull run it was passing the Bollinger Bands, at least the things that I filled in right now. Then at the peak it touched it, and then here it was going beyond it as well in the big dip, and now it's here in the middle, which is an indicator that we can actually go deeper. This is also what I'm booking on at the moment. I did have a 7% crypto wallet sell after my earlier 4% crypto wallet sell this week, and I think I will keep it at this amount. If we get a pump, I'm gonna sell more, because really I'm believing, guys, that we're going down. There is multiple lines showing up on Bitcoin that is showing us that we will go down actually. Just look at what the Bollinger Bands are showing us here. It is indicating 9,000, and that's quite deep. Now, will we really go this way? Well, let's look at a previous update of me here. I did this on November the 14th. You can see also that these lines, they lined up here with the same kind of dip as the Bollinger Bands on Binance suggest. There's more indicators that show that we can go this way. Look at my newest Bitcoin chart for today. These lines actually show that we are passing. Well, this line is very important, of course, the 2017 December pump, which lines up here with the 2020 beginning of the bull run. I would say this is the 2022 beginning of the bear run. How sad that also sounds. There's multiple people agreeing with that. We have Peter Schiff. He thinks it will fall to 10k. We have this guy Michael Burry that's also thinking that we are going to crash. Do we always have to listen to these pros? No, we don't have to. These people can be very wrong. This guy, this Burry, also has deleted his previous bear predictions where he was wrong. But in this case, I think I kind of agree with these guys. Now at the price of 16,500, it's still a good moment to sell. After, of course, everything that happened at FTX, we should be warned. It only dropped 15% the market so far, and this whole pattern here, guys, this is worrying me. This can become a very bearish pattern. Look at what we're doing here on the 4-hour chart. Look what we are touching. We are just lining up with this line here. Maybe it's a little bit lower, but this pattern is quite negative. It's a descending triangle. Sorry, maybe the triangle is not descending, but the whole pattern is coming from a descending movement, and this can continue. If we draw this in a pattern, you will see it can become something like this, like a double drop, and that would mean also this big drop to 13k or even 10k. This is my moment where I want to buy. So today I did big sells. I took my 15% losses. I am okay with that, since I also sold a lot at 50k, 58k, 64k. These are old funds that I reinvested around 20k, and now I resold them in 50% loss. I'm not worried to tell that to you guys. I'm rather open and transparent about these things. I also make losses. Well, this was a loss for me. I didn't expect the FTX blow up thing that happened. I think nobody really did. That the big exchange FTX, it just blew up in 2 days. Nobody saw that coming, but we should adapt to that. We should not ignore this news, and we have to do our buys in the best zone for Bitcoin. My best zone is around here. Let's follow this line here, 10k. I will start buying between 10 and 4k. This is my golden zone. I will do a lot of Bitcoin buys here. Everything that I sell here can be bought double here. That's the power we have. If you sell now at 16,500, you can buy double at 8,000. And if we reach 8,000, then you're very happy. And we can also recover those funds very fast. Don't forget that everything that we sell now that dumps, we can recover twice as fast if we rebuy here. And this buys, my crypto wallet right now is 38%. And if I rebuy 30% is in this 8k zone, you guys can imagine that if we go back to 16k, I'm already back into profits. That's my plan for now. My plan is that we go here, downwards, and then back up. Because I don't believe crypto is dead. I just think that Bitcoin is in a very bearish market right now. The same for Ethereum. Look at this pattern here. I'm really not happy with this pattern. It looks like some kind of bar pattern is happening. It can fall back here to 0.03. Ethereum is going to do even worse than Bitcoin. I swapped all my Ethereum to Bitcoin right now. I'm not bullish on Ethereum. The dollar is actually doing well for Bitcoin. I think this can go down too, but it's not going to be enough to pull the markets. Maybe it's going to pull the market of Bitcoin back to 20k only. Maybe this first line is going to be retested. Is it worth to keep all your Bitcoin for this small retest? Not in my opinion. I think it's very dangerous to hold it since our target is around 9k. This Pure multiplier is indicating that we're in a good zone to buy, but as you can see, we can also go a lot more farther down. If you look at the previous bottoms, we didn't reach that yet, and I'm gonna wait for that. This also indicates that it can go way lower, so be careful. All in all, my prediction is quite bearish today. Sorry for my big change. I've always had a crypto wallet of 48 to 44%. Now it's even 38%. I have a lot of stable coins that I also send to my bank in euros, because that's at the moment the most safe way. Do not hold Tether. You do not hold this USDT, but use USDC or BUSD, and preferably send some money to your bank, because rough times can be coming. And for now, it's not time of investing yet. We have to wait for this last dip. That's our ultimate investing point. 10k would be a perfect price to get back in. And at the moment, you still have time to get out. That's my prediction for today, and I hope to see you guys next time.